On number 46, there's a lot of different ways to think about this, but this is ultimately a horizontal asymptote question. Now, if you don't remember the rules for finding that, you can certainly type this in your calculator and graph it. And if you did that, let me type it in on my calculator right now, x divided by x plus 3. We graph that. Okay, you're going to get a graph that looks something like this. If I draw just up a quick sketch, you're going to get something that looks like this. And okay, so you're going to get something that looks like that. And it wants to know as x continually increases towards infinity without bound, what value are we approaching? So what you'd want to see is, okay, as we continue to go right forever and ever, what y value are we at? Because it's going to flatten out. So you can just kind of follow that in your calculator and see that it approaches 1, if that's the way you go about it. Now, if you remember your horizontal asymptote rules, you can just know it from looking at it, and this question will take all of 1 or 2 seconds to complete. The rules for horizontal asymptotes say that if the exponents are the same on top and bottom, well, it's the ratio of the coefficients. So, for example, if I had 2x squared plus 1 over 3x squared minus 5, well, because the exponents are the same, the horizontal asymptote would be 2/3, or in other words, that's what the graph would approach as x headed towards infinity. Now, because they're 1 and 1 here, well, the coefficients here are also just kind of like a 1x and a 1x, so 1 divided by 1 would be 1, making the correct answer H. So again, you can do that either by graphing it if you don't know your horizontal asymptote rules, but if you do, this question is kind of a quick one-off and a little bit of a freebie. So